time. The only people who not they laugh for this show now people who put money for MMM. My sister put money for MMM. So she knows say for this program, no joke will make her laugh. She can't cram laugh from house. Then like that on the show. So since whether they crack joke or not, her face all day. And man, Mrs. Ngozi's on. Thank you for coming. I don't believe I will feel pull you come here. Thank you. And there's one of the top movie directors, Ugezu J. Ugezu. He's here in our midst. Thank you, sir. Oshé? No, sir, Rex. You are into big things. Stand up, make them see your face.
Everybody knows that I'm into big things.
Yes. Stand up now. You are into big things. Prove it.
Girls, give out 20,000.
Not be even 27. Not be even, just bring anyone with you. You want write check? You should be check. This period that they do check. You know say check we bounce. Now 2 years imprisonment with hard labor. Imagine with this your fine face, you can't go wash. For 2 years. My brother, see how you fresh, be like today bread. See your wife. My brother, your eye clear. You not marry knife, now wife. See how she fresh. But that you too makes sense. Don't find like my pastor. Very beautiful woman, can't you see? Very fine. Nonsense. Beautiful woman. Yeah. I better get out, it too makes sense. Let's just play around, okay? Because this is on. Man. People when they clap when you come. Not be the same attitude when they see you for TV. Remember that film where you poison Ramsey Noah? Till today, my grandmama still the verse for you. When I tell her, say, they come this program, I say, don't try it. You know, come poison people there. You say right now, my grandmama, they say to poison people, now you're calling. Now, I still try convince and say, now a movie. For Nigerian film, anything they happen, no. Person go die with suits, his spirits go appear with native. You go the wonder where that boutique they heaven. You know. But I trust Nollywood. Not only for Nollywood, they go shoot person for head. They will carry and go hospital. Blood will come out from mouth. They go bandage in leg. 3 places where nothing concern. I saw somebody around. Kesta. Please put your hands together for Barrister Oyibo Kesta. I better stand up. He was my senior prefect in school. Like I said, I know say I go later fat pass you. And for not allow you punish me that time. So if I do you back now, they go say I'm wicked. And that time I saw you slim. Still they punish me, they flog me. And I know say for future, me say go fat, you go still be like belt. Sit down. Now you know we have time for school. Now say they flog me, they now I'm a man of God. Now me they bless you now, my son, sit down. This show stress me, so all the joke where I plan. This morning I forget all. So I'm just, trying to make up. Chairman, this is Chairman Prestora Production. Chairman, I greet you. You can take an Igbo man out of Onitsha, but you can't take Onitsha out of him. Even though say Chairman wears suit, bow tie with tuxedo, he must put this cap. The cap has come to stay. Chairman sponsored my first cinema movie. Chairman, I'm grateful. Ladies and gentlemen, this sound we are using, I got it free of charge from DJ Destiny. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Have a snap two of us. Snap two of us. Snap, snap. Snap now. All these photographer now 2 eyes God give you now. Till today now one on they use you. You know, I tell people that in this country different things they happen. People take advantage of anything. You know, now people they use recession as avenue to be stingy. Say recession, they no go give you money. Somebody call me, say Dickie Famous, I heard you are doing a program. Come to my office, I want to support you. Brothers and sisters. When I reach office, I say, "Want give me money?" He say, "You know, because of the recession, I decided to call you to my office. Let me support you with some words of advice." I'll not use any of the advice and the show they hold. I'm telling you. You know, when they organize program, you will see many things. Dickie Holiday, you are such an inspiration. I love you, sir. Dickie Holiday does not waste time to release cash. Seriously, if Dickie Holiday give you check, instead make the check bounce, now the bank will bounce. A rich man, they talk about Goodluck Jonathan and all those things. Forget. Nigerians, we must wise. Now so they criticize the man. Goodluck Jonathan too they hear people. He too they hear advice. This one go come talk. This one go come talk. Now God don't give us the one we not they hear at all. Anything when you talk, you will say, the next thing I do say you get memory problem. The content I say, Your Excellency, there's a man outside. You say, who is he? He said his name is Tinubu. Is he a minister? I don't remember. But I always tell people the most painful thing that happened, you see, you know, recession, recession not concern me, sir, because the government will not fair, they feed me. I never depended on the government. When you go meet government person, say you want to do program, maybe they support you. Brother, it takes faith. Different things. You know, this Summit Park when near here. Now, sorry, for the biography, they indicated I'm currently studying criminology and security studies in National Open University. I'm done with that. I am now a Des White. I'm studying history education in Delta State University. You know, people they say that time, they say Famous not go school. They say it's just a crack joke. You not go school, you not go school. I don't they go on now. Now go beg me. After this one, I they go study animal husbandry. No course one not go study. Political medicine. Engineering law. You all I know one will go beg me. Because school really had me, sir, those days. That time for primary school, if I go for secondary school, I was really SPC boys there here now. Then they, Mona not to shout. If anyone shouts near you, hold your phone. Pastor, this school. Pastor, thank God for the word of God. Though. The secondary school I attended, man, Pastor, in my school then, academics is the lowest thing you will learn. It's the least. In fact. Now 2 weeks after you don't finish SS3, now you go begin learn academics. You will first learn how not to thief, but keep people things with you. We they play match that time. See Kester, they do Kester that time now. We they play match for field. We don't play finish. Kester just pull the trouser out, keep. Wallet they say they use a shot, they play match. He play finish. He can't go there, check the trouser, the wallet don't miss. Kester begin provoke. For what? How can they steal the wallet of the senior prefect of this school? For what? All of you, come here. Who stole my wallet? They come the answer and say, which wallet? My wallet. Where did you keep it? Say, I kept it as it turned and not see the trouser. Different things. Not only for SPC person, they thief your singlet where you wear. From your body. I'm telling you. Do you know where, and now I advise people, when you enter keke these days, check. When you call the keke man, listen to the accent. If na Aboki, no enter. I entered one 2 weeks ago. Had they go wedding. I saw keke the fire speed. I tell this guy, say, I dey go up on a road. The guy face toll gate. 30 minutes. He just they drive, they go. Only the keke man, now when they ask me, Oga, I know they reach where they go. I say, my brother, just carry me go where they go. As he enter express, he come behind one tipper. The guy come try overtake from left, the tipper block him. The guy come right, tipper block him. Go left again, tipper block him. Now the aboki come look me for back. He say, Oga, I think I don't see him for this gongoro, Abi. I say him. He say, Oga, Kai, I go right, gongoro, I block me for right. I go left, gongoro, I block me for left. Kai, Oga, I won't pass him for under, make I overtake gongoro. I say, I better wait, my go front, go wait for you. If you come out, go enter.